Rupert, what will be your answer?
Well, I would make the distinction between self-organizing systems and non-self-organizing systems. An atom organizes itself, a crystal organizes itself, cells, animals, plants organize themselves, so do galaxies and solar systems. However, tables, chairs, socks, computers, and cars don't organize themselves. They're made in factories. That's why we have factories. If they organize themselves, you'd just be able to grow them on farms. You can't grow them because they don't organize themselves. And nor do rocks. In the rock, the crystals within the rock are self-organizing, but the assembly of the rock is not self-organizing. It depends on external forces. If a rock breaks off a mountain and falls down, bumping down the slopes of the mountain, colliding with other rocks and breaks into smaller pieces, it's in a sense accidental in the finishing product. And then if it falls into a river and is worn away by a river and turned into a smooth, round stone, this is responding to external forces, not organizing itself. So I'd make an important distinction there between the self-organizing and the not self-organizing. And of the self-organizing, I would definitely include crystals, molecules, and atoms. And I would expect also that they have some kind of experience or awareness, not necessarily a high level of consciousness, but as a crystal forms, there's a kind of desire in a forming crystal for the molecules to come together in particular ordered patterns, which we see in snowflakes, for example. Each snowflake has a kind of unity because the 6 arms of the snowflake are like the other arms of the same snowflake, but they're different from the arms of a different snowflake. So there's a kind of internal coherence of each snowflake of form. And what kind of feelings and experiences do atoms or electrons have? One thing we know they have is attractions and repulsions. That we talk about electric attraction, electric repulsion, or magnetic attraction and repulsion. And these seem to me very basic forms of desire or motivation that we actually experience ourselves as well, and where there is a kind of continuity between the most simple physical objects and ourselves, where attraction and repulsion become, seem to me fundamental aspects of nature which we experience subjectively. And I don't see any reason why an atom or a molecule shouldn't experience them subjectively as well.